On this page, you're going to learn what like terms are. In algebra, you'll hear the term like terms. Like terms are two algebraic expressions that have the same variables and the same exponents. These two equations are considered like terms because they have the exact same variables and the exact same exponents. Even though the numbers are different, these two expressions can be added or subtracted because the variables and the exponents of the variables are the same. So if we were to add 2x to the third y squared with 25x to the third y squared, we would get 27x to the third y squared. Notice we don't add the variables, we just add the numbers. These are like terms because they have the same variable and the same exponents. Here we have two other expressions. These, however, are not like terms because although they have the same variables, x and y, they don't have the same exponents. This exponent of the y is 3, and this y exponent is 1. When there's no exponent, the exponent is always known to be 1. So x to the first power, y to the first power, x to the first power, y to the third power. So these two variables, or these two terms, or these two monomials are not like terms because they do not have the same exponents. Although they do have the same variables, they don't have the same exponents, so they are not like terms. What they're going to ask you to do on this page is circle like terms. Well, we know these are like terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. Although the numbers are different, that doesn't matter. They're considered like terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. These, however, are not like terms because they have the same variable, but they do not have the same exponent. This one has an exponent of 2, and this a variable has an exponent of 1. So these are not like terms. No. If they're not like terms, you don't circle them. You don't have to write anything. Here we have an x variable, the same variable, but again, different exponents. This is an exponent of 3. This is an exponent of 2. We have variable a, variable x. Now let's check the exponents. Yup, the exponents are the same. Both the x's have an exponent of 3, so these are like terms. Let's circle. These are not like terms because this one doesn't even have a variable, so obviously there can't be like terms. These almost look like terms, but the square, they have the same exponents, right? A 2 exponent and a 2 exponent, but they're not on the same letter. Notice that this exponent is on the x and this exponent is on the y. So these are not like terms, so do not circle, okay? And that's it for this page.